Did you remember to put the after sun on?
Of course, it still hurts, though.
Serves you right. It's funny, isn't it, us working together like this?
Oh, go on, you love it. You get to keep an eye on me this way.
Don't be paranoid.
I'll catch you up. Nice car.
Yeah. Shame I left the lights on last night. Battery's flat as a pancake.
Do you mean to get you going? I got jump leads.
Well, no bother. I've called for a mechanic. He's on his way.
Sure? Can have you back in the road in a few minutes?
No, really. I don't want the bloke to have had a wasted journey.
See you later.
Well, you know what it's like when you've been away, even if it's just for a weekend. You come back absolutely ready for anything.
I can't say I do, at least not recently.
Oh, talk to Mac. Have him whisk you off somewhere hot and sultry.
Well, we are going to Canada next week.
Oh, good for you.
Morning.
I was just saying to Julia how good it is for a couple to get away sometimes, spend some time together. We had a wonderful time.
Apart from me trying to fry my skin off.
Actually, that was my fault. Not enough sleep at night.
Oh. So was there a special reason for this trip?
Oh. Does there have to be? It's good to keep a marriage interesting. Otherwise, it just gets stagnant.
Oh, I see. So that was the reason. Give the marriage a bit of a tonic.
Absolutely not. Jimmy and I are just fine. I thought you had your own office, Julia.
Oh, the agency temp hasn't turned up. Mill Health Centre, can I help you?
Hello?
Hello? Is there anybody there? Oh, please yourself.
Hello?
That is the third time this morning that someone has phoned and not spoken. It's driving me mad. Lovely, thank you.
Jimmy, just the man.
What have I done?
Nothing yet, I just need a favour.
What kind of favour?
In here.
Oh, steady on Amanda's here today, you know.
You're not my type. Listen, you've got a new patient coming in this afternoon with a sports injury. His name is Matt Jackson.
And?
I want you to check him out for me.
What do you mean, check him out?
I need you to find out a bit more about him. Like if he's single.
You know it's not a good idea to get involved with patients.
Oh, it's not for me, it's for Greg. He needs a little help with his social life.
Well, does he have one?
Well, that's why he needs our help. Listen, it's been ages since his partner died, and I think he's ready to get out there again.
When you think this Matt person's his type?
I think so.
You think so?
Well, that's where you come in. I need you to find out whether or not he's gay.
How am I supposed to do that? Make a pass at him?
Just talk to him, that's all. How hard can it be?
Well, funnily enough, it's not the sort of thing that blokes talk about when they hardly know each other.
Look, I've got really good gaydar, and I'm almost always right about these things. I just need you to confirm it for me.
I don't know about this. It's totally unprofessional. If Mac or Julia get wind of this...
They won't. Oh, come on.
Okay, I'll let you know. Yeah. All right, bye-bye. Good morning.
Hi.
Do you have an appointment?
Oh, I'm not actually a patient, at least not yet.
Oh, fine. Do you want to register with us?
Actually, I'd like to make an appointment with Amanda.
Okay. What would it be for? Indian head massage, aromatherapy massage, Reiki healing, reflexology?
That last one, reflexology.
Reflexology. Okay. Well, you're in luck because she's got a space later on this morning. Could I have your name, please?
Timothy, actually. Timothy Lutterworth.
Timothy Lutterworth. Okay. There we are. Well, Timothy, if you would like to come back at 11 o'clock, Amanda will see you then.
Great. See you later, then.
Yes.
What have I said about trying the meditation at home, and I'll see you again in a couple of weeks?
Okay, thank you.
Well, great. Well, that's me done for an hour or so, isn't it? Do you want me to cover the desk for a bit?
Actually, no, because you've got another client at 11.
Oh, great.
Yeah, a rather dishy gentleman called Timothy Lutterworth. Is it somebody you know?
Tim Lutterworth. No, I don't think so.
What was all that about?
Oh, that's me.
What was all what about?
Mysterious, handsome men walking in off the street.
Really? Must be the day for it, eh, Jimmy?
What do you think you're playing at?
Relax, I was just teasing.
It was not funny.
You are still on, though.
Well, I'll see what I can do, but no promises. I'm still not even sure how to go about it.
Just flirt with him, find out if he's single.
Flirt with him?
I thought flirting was something you were good at.
Mr. Lutterworth, isn't it? I think Amanda is ready for you. Just give me a moment. Amanda, Mr. Lutterworth is here. Yes, of course. Bye-bye. Right, she'll see you in a minute. Could you please take this in with you when you go?
Yes. Right.
Timothy,
Hi.
if you'd like to come with me.
Yes. Lead on. You don't recognise me, do you?
Tim Lutterworth, from Sutton Coldfield.
That's me. I was at St Mary's, you were at St Luke's. We went to the youth club at Highfield Hall.
That was a long time ago.
You do remember me?
You've changed.
You haven't.
You've lost a lot of weight.
Let's face it, I had a lot to lose.
Fancy you being one of my first clients here. I mean, what are the chances of that?
It's not exactly a coincidence. I've been looking for you.
I don't understand.
I read your entry on School Pals Reconnected. You mentioned about training as a complementary therapist, so I did a bit of detective work on the internet, contacted the professional body and managed to track you down to here.
Why?
I wanted to talk to you. I was hoping we could have lunch or something, catch up, talk about old times.
I've got a lot on. It's not a good time today.
Another day, then.
I don't know.
Look, I'm staying at the Empress over near Lethbridge. Perhaps you could call and...
I don't know. Maybe. Look, I don't think this is appropriate. Do you?
No, of course. I understand. I'd better be going.
So it was someone you knew?
Sort of.
Well, what do you mean?
He was someone I knew when I was growing up.
What, you mean like an old school friend? I thought you went to an all-girls grammar.
Yeah, I did.
So what did he want?
Oh, nothing special. Just wanted to catch up.
What, he made all this effort to find you just to say hello?
Apparently.
Come in.
So, how did it go last night?
Operation Seduction? Oh, a complete blowout. It's no good, Helen. I don't think he finds me attractive anymore, and who can blame him? I'm a blob.
Oh, nonsense. You look great. Anyway, lots of men go off sex during their wife's pregnancy.
Don't get all doctory on me. I just want a husband who fancies me.
Well, talk to him.
Oh, chance would be a fine thing. In the evenings he's too tired, and, well, it's not something you can do over cornflakes. Well, not talking about it, anyway.
Oh, spare me the details. You need to be saying this to Ronnie, not me.
Excuse me. Are you looking for Amanda?
Yes, I suppose I am.
Well, she's at lunch, actually. You're welcome to wait inside if you like.
No, really, it can wait. I'll come back later.
Well, would you like me to give her a message for you?
No, thank you. I really should be going.
Well, this is nice, isn't it? Doing things together as a couple.
Yeah, it's great.
You know, just because I'm pregnant doesn't mean that we can't do, you know, normal things together as a couple.
I never said it did.
You didn't have to.
Am I missing something?
I don't know. You tell me.
This place is good. We should come in more often.
Ronnie, we haven't made love in months.
Good, please.
Well, it's true. We had a really good sex life, and I, for one, am missing it.
This is not the time or the place for this discussion.
When is? You know, because in the evening you're too tired, and during the day you're too busy.
It's just a difficult time.
Why? Why is it? Do you not fancy me anymore?
Of course I do. I love you more than ever. I'd really we talk about this at home.
Ronnie.
Later.
I was standing at the bottom of the steps and I asked him if he wanted to leave a message, one of my colleagues, and he was answering me and backing up, facing me at the same time. When he got to here, he turned around and walked straight out into the road, and this gentleman's car came along, and there was nothing he could have done, actually.
It's exactly as the lady said. I just turned round and just coming along here, and I got to this point
Is he going to be okay?
Yes, the paramedics reckon that it's just a bump on the head, but they've taken him to St. Phil's to make sure.
Here we go again.
What do you mean?
He did this before when we were kids. He had a crush on me. Well, it was more than a crush. Got a bit obsessive. Kept giving me presents. And got a bit out of hand.
What do you mean he started again after all this time? You going to open it?
No, I'm going to sort this out once and for all. You said he went to St. Phil's?
Yeah.
I'll be as quick as I can.
Okay.
So, how's your knee?
Oh, still giving me jib.
Oh, don't worry, Dr. Clay will sort you out.
What are you, like his personal publicist?
Here we are. This is Matt, your 4 o'clock.
Hi, I'm Dr. Clay.
Ah, good to meet you, Doc. Matt.
I'll leave you boys to it.
Okay. Thanks.
It's an odd setup, though, isn't it? Mind you, she'd never admit it, but if you ask me, I think that all is not what it seems in that marriage.
You're not still going on with the age gap, are you?
No, it's more than that.
Oh, I do hope you're not getting involved.
Of course I'm not.
Julia, it's none of our business.
The thing is, Matt, all I'm saying is that if Jimmy and Amanda's marriage is on the rocks, then it's as well that we're prepared, isn't it? Especially as Amanda works here now.
I'm sure you're seeing things that aren't there.
Oh, am I? Well, today some mysterious guy comes in and leaves a sort of gift for her.
And what is that meant to signify?
Well, I don't know, but it's not normal, is it?
Well, I hope you're wrong. I prefer my staff to keep their marital problems at home.
Oh, you mean like we do?
Hello again.
Amanda,
I heard about the accident.
you must think I'm some kind of nutter, don't you?
We have to admit your behaviour today hasn't been very normal, has it?
No, not really.
I hear you've been lucky. Nothing too serious.
Just a broken arm. First bit of luck I've had in a long time, then. Just waiting to get it cast.
So what's this all about, then?
I just thought we could catch up.
Does it have anything to do with this?
So do you ski a lot?
Yeah, whenever I can. It's not my main sport.
Hmm? What is?
Climbing.
How often do you do that then?
Every couple of weeks, sometimes more. Oh, is that the problem?
No. So, climbing, eh?
Hmm.
Can't say I've ever fancied that myself.
You're scared of height stock.
Who'd you go climbing with? Your girlfriend?
What, do you do everything with your girlfriend?
No, actually, I don't have a girlfriend. This seems like a typical ski injury to me, so I'll just refer you to a physio. Oh, you can put your trousers on now.
Okay. You know, actually, I don't have a girlfriend either. In fact, I've been single since I moved down from Leeds last year.
Don't make people through your work.
No, not really.
You a photographer?
Specialise in food porn.
Oh, sorry.
For cookery magazines and the like. Sexy close-ups of food on plates, making dishes look irresistible. So no, I don't get to meet people through work that much. Maybe you could give me some tips?
Tips?
Yeah, on the local scene. You must know all the best bars and clubs to hang out at.
Well, yeah, I suppose.
Well, maybe we could check out some together.
No, I don't.
It's okay, Doc, I'm just kidding you. But you were trying to flirt with me. So tell me, what's that all about? Hmm?
Things have been tough for me lately. I don't know. Everything's been falling apart.
Why come looking for me?
I've been going back over my life, trying to work out where it all went wrong. Trying to sort out unfinished business.
But we don't have any unfinished business between us.
You've not opened that box yet, have you? Open it. Things might be clearer then.
It's my grandmother's necklace. I lost that years ago.
You didn't lose it. I had it.
Look, you've got this all wrong.
No, I know when I'm being chatted up.
It's just my style. I like to get to know my patients.
Oh, so what was that all about? Checking out my sexuality so you can put it in your medical notes?
No, of course not.
You know what? Maybe I should make a formal complaint. You can't get away with that in this day and age.
Listen, no, please, let me explain.
Well, go on, then. This better be good.
I was sort of flirting with you, but not on my behalf.
What?
Well, I've got this friend, a colleague, one of the other doctors here at the surgery, and he's not had a lot of luck recently, and we just thought...
Oh, you thought you'd try and set him up with one of your patients?
In a nutshell, yeah.
You know, that is just so unbelievable. It has to be the truth.
It is, so I'm sorry. It was terribly unprofessional of me.
Well, you can say that again.
Well, I was just trying to help a friend.
Well, thanks, but no thanks. I came here to get medical treatment for a sports injury, not to get interviewed for a blind date.
And treatment you'll get. Look, please, sit down. Let me sort out the referral for you, at least. Please.
Okay. Yay.
You remember how I used to have a crush on you?
The notes you used to send me, and the presents. Got a bit too much.
I know, I'm sorry. I couldn't help myself.
We were just kids.
You weren't like the others, you were different. Exciting. Dangerous. You used to hang out with that gang from the estate. You had the boyfriend with the motorbike.
Terry.
You just seemed to have more life in you than other girls.
My wild child youth may have seemed all hedonistic and exciting to you, but I was quite mixed up.
You seemed to have it all worked out. You didn't care what people thought about you. You just got on with getting what you wanted.
I didn't know what I wanted. How'd you get this?
Do you remember the night you lost it?
Colette's 16th.
Her parents went mad. I had a marquee and invited half of Sutton Coldfield. You were wearing a blue dress.
I took this to go with it. I knew it was a family heirloom, but it was so right. I stole it from my mum's jewellery box.
You looked fantastic.
I don't remember much about that party.
Not surprising the way you went at that punch.
Like I said, I was pretty mixed up.
You had a row with Terry, something about the way you were dancing.
We were always fighting over something.
And I asked you to dance, and you must have been drunk because you said yes.
And you tried to kiss me.
I got carried away. I just wanted you to know how I felt about you.
Must have lost this in the struggle.
Yes.
And you didn't say anything. When I noticed it was missing?
I was so embarrassed when you turned me down. Maybe I just wanted to hurt you the way you'd hurt me.
Why have you given it to me now?
I was going through some old things and found the necklace, and suddenly I couldn't stop thinking about you again.
Timothy.
Look at you, you've hardly changed. You're as lovely now as you were when you were 16.
That's very sweet of you to say.
It's not just words. It's the truth.
Hi, how did you get on? I told you Dr. Clay was the man to see.
Yeah, well, he certainly is. If you want the 3rd degree.
Well done, Jimmy.
I tried.
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry.
I shouldn't have come here, I'm sorry. This isn't appropriate.
No, please.
I shouldn't be here.
You got your necklace back?
Yeah, my necklace, the one you shouldn't have had in the first place.
I'm sorry.
What did you expect me to do? Fall into your arms?
I don't know what I thought.
Do you have family that I could call?
No. I had a wife, but we weren't really suited. We drifted apart.
Anybody at work? I mean, you're obviously doing well.
It's for your benefit, I'm afraid. I was in computers. I designed and built them to specification, but I got made redundant a few years ago.
I'm sorry.
Once you're out of the loop, it's hard to get back in.
So what have you been doing?
Going over old diaries. Looking up old friends.
Seeking refuge in the past.
If you say so.
We all have to move on. I mean, your marriage might be over, but your life isn't.
That's what it feels like.
Nobody has it easy. You have to pull yourself up. Keep going.
Easier said than done.
No, it's not. Not at all. We've all had hard knocks over the years. You knew me when I was 16. I was meant to be bright. I was meant to get all kinds of qualifications. I was meant to get a degree. But it didn't work out.
You never went to university?
I blew it. Life got in the way. I ended up getting a secretarial qualification, working as a PA. And then I married my boss.
So that worked out then?
No, it didn't. Suddenly I didn't know who I was all over again. I was a married woman with a big house to run and enough money to go shopping every waking hour, but my life was empty.
So you broke up?
Yeah. I was 30 years old, rattling around in my parents' house. I had to start again.
What did you do?
I retrained. Counselling. In fact, I just went back to college again, learning about complementary therapies. You can start over.
Perhaps. Why did you give up the counselling? You're pretty good at this stuff.
I met my second husband. Actually, he was a student at the college where I was working. Sometimes I feel that being involved with him is like having a full-time counselling role in itself.
But you love him?
Yes, very much. And he loves me. I never thought that I would fall in love again, but I did. You never know what life is going to throw at you. That's the fun of it.
I hope you can forgive me for all this.
Do you know, I was grounded for a month for losing this necklace.
I didn't mean the necklace. I meant about looking for you. It might not have turned out quite how I planned, but I think it has helped to see you. Thank you.
Goodbye.
It wasn't a total disaster.
Wasn't it?
Well, at least we know he's gay, and we know he's single.
A fat lot of good that is if he's mad with us. He's not going to let me set him up with Greg now, is he?
Then what if he makes a formal complaint?
Don't get excited. I haven't changed my mind or anything. Forgot my camera. Thanks.
Hi, you okay?
Yeah, fine.
How's your friend?
Well, he's not exactly my friend. He's more like a ghost from the past. Don't mention this to Jimmy, will you? He doesn't need to know everything about my life before I met him.
Of course I won't.
Thanks.
Oh, hey. Hey. Sorry. Sorry.
Greg, I need to pop in and see you about something.
Yeah, sure, I'll be in my room.
Was that him?
Certainly was.
Or maybe I was a bit hasty. If you can arrange something, then we'll see what happens, all right?
No, that'll be fine, as long as you're sure that you can deliver them by then.
Results.
They won't be any later than next week, will they?
Meet the professor who's revolutionised how the police recover bodies. An ordinary man with an extraordinary life. One Life, tonight at 10:35 here on BBC1. Next this afternoon, Diagnosis Murder.